Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Shabazz here. So in this video, you will learn how to perform scale scoring and reverse item analysis in R. Reverse item analysis is essential when a questionnaire includes negatively worded items. Before calculating total or average scores, these items must be reverse coded so that all items are scored in the same direction. In this tutorial, you will learn what scale scoring means, what reverse coding items are, why reverse coding is important in questionnaire analysis, how to reverse score Likert scales items in R, how to calculate total and mean scores for a scale, and how to prepare data for reliability, correlation, regression, and other further analysis. So if you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my new videos on R data analysis. So first of all, we need to consult our PowerPoint presentation to see the criteria, threshold values, and the dataset. So we are going to do scale scoring and reverse item analysis in R. So because we are preparing item responses before computing reliable composite scale scores. So we will do reverse coding, missing values, sum scores, mean scores, and validation checks. So reverse coding puts all items in the same direction. Reverse worded item. A high raw response means a low level of the construct. Its direction must be reversed before scoring. For example, if we are using the Likert scale 1 to 5, 1 equal to strongly disagree and 5 equal to strongly agree. So in this way, some if item has reverse coded like 1 equal to strongly agree and 5 equal to strongly disagree. So in this way, we make this item reversed to make the consistency with other items. So for general formula, reverse score equal to minimum plus maximum minus original score. So in this way, we calculate the reverse score. So we have a research question and scoring decisions. Research question: how can the green imply involvement items be correctly recorded and combined into one scale score? So we have a data set of 12 responses. We have 4 total survey items of green imply involvement. Survey item 1 has positive coding, no reverse coding because we have collected data according to 1 to 5 Likert scale. 1 equal to strongly disagree and 5 equal to strongly agree. So do the same with green imply involvement item 2 and do the same for item 4. However, in this way, because there is a negative rating and you can see 1 1, so in this way we will reverse this item before conducting the reliability analysis in R. So mean and sum scores use the same corrected items. Mean score average of valid corrected items. It remains on the original 1 to 5 metric Likert scales and is easy to interpret. Sum of square adds corrected items for 4 1 to 5 items. The possible range is 4 to 20. So in this way we will check the items of and reverse coding in R. So we'll go back to RStudio. So first of all, we need to import data and then perform analysis. So we go to ChatGPT, I give data and required for coding. So first of all, we will import the data in R. We will copy this prompt and then paste in R. Then press enter. So dialog box will open and you will select your data and then click open. So data has been opened in our RStudio. So now we can perform the next analysis easily. Okay, so first of all, we need to reverse code item 3 as I told you. So we copy this prompt and then paste here and press enter. So in this way, you can see our item 3 has been reversed. So you can see The 2 has been changed to 4, 3, because the 3 is a neutral, so it always remains same as 3 neutral. 1 equal to 5 and 2 equal to 4 so as well. So data has been reversed. Now we will perform the compute the scale score, mean score, and then sum of score. Copy this prompt, press enter. So you can see R successfully calculated the mean score of all items, all 4 items, because there are 4 items. So this item has been skipped because we have calculated and reversed the item 3 as well. So in this way, R included 1, 2, 3 and 4 items. So in this way, R calculated the mean score of green imply involvement. Okay, so now we calculate the sum score in the same way. Okay, so you can also see the sum of score of 4 survey items of green imply involvement. Okay, next we check the revised data. Copy this command and then paste here. So it means R has successfully checked the whole data carefully before performing the next analysis. So now check the computed scale. So you can see all scale descriptive statistics are available here. So in this way you can see that the reverse item has also been calculated correctly. Okay, now next we check the missing value in our data set. Okay, so it means there is no missing value in our data set.